evening. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for Class 11, CBSE, ICSE, all boards and also NEET aspirant students. Unit 2, Structural Organization in Plants and Animals, and Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. Today I will discuss about the introduction of the animal tissue. First, I will discuss about the level of structural organization in a multicellular animals. This is the introductory class. First, a multicellular organisms exhibits various levels of structural organization which work in an integrated manner to contribute to its survival. First is cellular level organization. Cells are the structural and functional unit of life. In multicellular animals, cells show a considerable degree of division of labor among themselves due to specialization and differentiation. Characteristics of the cellular level organizations are loose cellular aggregates. Cell remains structurally distinct rather than being connected by junctional complexes to form continuous tissue sheets. Division of labor. Different specialized cell handle specific function. Example, digestion, protection, reproduction despite acting independently. Next, absence of true tissue. There are no basement membranes or true cells to cell structural integration. Next, regenerative ability. Due to low specialization and presence of totipotent cells, these organisms exhibit high powers of regeneration. Tissue level organization. A group of one or more types of cells similar in origin and specialized to perform a specific functions. Held together in specific taxa, cellular materials constitute a tissue. Only 4 basic types of tissues are present in all complex animals. Characteristics of the tissue level organization. Grouping of specialized cells. Cells that share a common origin, structure and specialized function clustered together with intercellular substances. Next, division of labor. Specific cell cluster perform distinct physiological tasks such as digestion, sensing, stimuli or movement, rather than every cell carrying out all functions. Next, lack of organs. While cells form functional tissue, this tissue do not aggregate to form distinct organs or organ systems. Next, organ level organization. Animal tissues are organized in specific proportions and patterns to form an origin. It performs specific functions with the help of integrated activities of its tissue. Example, stomach, liver, urinary bladder, etc. Next, definition of the organ level organization. When tissue performing similar or complementary functions aggregate to form distinct anatomical structures, the organism is said to exhibit an organ level of organization. Characteristics of the organ level of organization, that is specialization. Different tissue, that is epithelial, connective, muscular, nervous, combine to carry out specific body function. Next, functional efficiency. It represents a higher level of structural complexity compared to the cellular and tissue level, allowing greater specialization. Next, absence of full systems. While organs exist, they are not yet organized into fully integrated continuous organ system like a complete digestive tract or complex circulatory system. Organ system level organization. An organ system comprised of 2 or more organs which functions together by interacting physically or chemically in a coordinated manner to carry out major life processes. Example, the digestive system performs a major life processes of digestion and absorption of the digested food. Major organ system in higher animals, digestive system. Breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Included organs are stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas, etc. Next is circulatory system. Function, transport of oxygen, nutrients and waste material. Included organ are heart, blood vessels, blood. Next, respiratory system. Function, gas exchange, O2 and CO2. And organs are gills, trachea, lungs. Next, excretory system. Function of the excretory system is elimination of metabolic nitrogenous waste. Included organs are nephridia, Malpighian tubules, kidney. Next, nervous system. Function, conduction of nerve impulses and coordination. Included organs are brain, ganglia, spinal cord. Next is reproductive system. Function, production of gametes of continuation of species. Included organs are gonads, testes or ovaries. Next, what is the organism? An organism is a distinct living individual system ranging from a single microscopic unicellular bacterium to a complex multicellular human possessing cellular organization, metabolic pathways, homeostasis and the capacity to grow, respond to stimuli and reproduce. An organism or an individual consists of several organ systems which perform their function in unison to sustain the individual. It is the highest level of the structural organization. Characteristic: metabolism. The sum total of chemical reaction occurring inside a living body. No non-living object display metabolism. Next, cellular organization. Living organism is composed of one or more cells. The cell is structural and functional unit of life. Next, cellular structure is mandatory for life to exist. Next, consciousness. The ability to sense environmental stimuli, that is physical, chemical or biological, and respond to them. It is present in all organisms from prokaryotic to complex eukaryotic. Self-consciousness, that is awareness of self, is unique to human. Next feature is growth. Defined as an increased mass and an increase in number of individual non-living objects can also grow by accumulation of material on their exterior surface. That is extrinsic growth. Living organisms undergo internal growth is called intrinsic growth. Next, reproduction. Process by which an organism produces progeny similar to itself. Certain living organisms cannot reproduce. Example: mule, sterile worker, bees, infertile human, etc. Therefore, reproduction cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristics. Now the topic has ended. For all video of class 11 and NEET, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook account Madhurima Datta. Next day I will discuss about the epithelial tissue.